Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about the essential tools every Windows 11 user should have to boost productivity, improve performance, and make your PC experience smoother. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, these tools can make a big difference. First up is Microsoft PowerToys. This free suite of utilities adds features that Windows 11 doesn't include by default, like fancy zones for custom window layouts, a powerful file renamer, and a shortcut guide to help you work faster. It's perfect for anyone who wants to streamline their workflow. Next, you'll want a good backup solution, like Macrium Reflect or the built-in file history tool. Backups are crucial to protect your files from accidental deletion, hardware failure, or even ransomware attacks. Always make sure your important data is backed up regularly. For system maintenance, tools like CCleaner or BleachBit can help keep your PC running smoothly by cleaning temporary files, managing startup programs, and optimizing performance. Pair this with Windows Security for antivirus protection, and your system will be safer and faster. If you work with documents or need quick note-taking, OneNote or Evernote are must-haves. They sync across devices and let you organize your ideas, screenshots, and important information efficiently. For power users, don't forget WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, PowerShell, and Windows Terminal. These tools are essential for developers or anyone who wants more control over their Windows environment. Finally, productivity tools like Notepad++, VLC Media Player, and ShareX for screenshots and screen recordings can make everyday tasks much easier. In short, every Windows 11 user can benefit from a mix of productivity, security, and system optimization tools. The right tools can make your PC faster, safer, and more enjoyable to use. If you found this list helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.